These are all the coins available on crypto.com. They have more than any of the other exchanges I've seen. So this is my portfolio, and then starting after that, you can see the zeros mean those are just available, but I don't own them. So for example, you could say, what is this fan token? You click on it and you look on it, it shows you can see all the exact times and the amounts. You can go to the 6 month, see the same thing. You can see all the details about it. And then if you want to buy it, you go to buy. And then if you want to buy it from your fiat wallet, you put it from there, which would be your card that you've hooked up. Otherwise, this is if you've got crypto in there, and there's a credit card. So the fiat wallet's if you put it into USDC. So I don't even know what that coin is. Juventus fan. Must be some sport. Okay, so here we go. Here's all of them. Well, it shows Ripple, but so you click on it, and then it'll say not available. See, there's no buy button. Let's see what else. Polkadot. Buy button is available. Transfer button. You can transfer it to another account. Let's see what else they have here. They have so many. There's Sandbox. Everybody's talking about Sandbox. I swear, I had Sandbox when it was way down here, and then I sold it, of course. What else do they have that's really good? Helium's really good. Get some helium over here on crypto.com. Pancake swap. Everything's down right now. It's a good time to get over here. AMP. Neo. I've never gotten Neo. Never heard of it. Ooh, it's down right now. Grab some. And Waves. I don't know Waves either. Wow, everything's crashing right now. I'm taking my video during the crash time. How about Theta Fuel? Look at that. In 3 months, it's still down. 6 months, it's down. Grab some Theta Fuel. Let's see, buy Theta Fuel. So, $1,200 to get $3,800. I'm not going to do that today. There's this more crypto. Look at them all. Even Quantum's over here. Oh my gosh. Zillica's on here. I didn't know Zill was on here. Buy. There's buy. You can buy Zill. Ren, Scale, Ontology, My Neighbor Alice. That one's been going crazy. Yep, that one's popping off here. Look at that. Ooh. What else? Nervous Network's over here now. And nobody's even mentioned it. It's kind of crazy. Fetch. This is one I used to buy over here, but now it's on Coinbase too. So, VThor token. That's a good one that you can get over here. That one looks good. Bakery Bake. That one looks good. There's so many good ones over here at crypto.com. You have to get it. Rally. Look at that. Rally. What's it? 6 months. Looks like a buy. PlayDAP. $2.95, 6 months. Wow, that one's popular. Tribe, I thought that one sounded good. Okay, let's see, it's 3 months. Okay, it's up in 6 months. It's up. Keep, I have Keep over on Coinbase, but I think Keep is a keeper. And what else? Chia, I don't have Chia. What else here? Ellipsis, that looks new. So you have to just go through here almost every day because there's so many new coins. At 48 cents, that looks like a great buy. Request. So many coins, you guys. Boson, $3. Oh, it's up. Iris, Balancer, Barnbridge, Ampleforth, Gitcoin, Komodo, Teller, QuickSwap, Bluezell, Rarible, Contentos. Oh, I keep hearing about people talking about Contentos. Oh, because it's 2 cents. Okay. They say it's due. All right, I might have to get some of that. Let's see, buy Consentos. Yeah, look at 5,000 for $113. That seems like a good deal. I'm going to get some. Crypto TA talks about Contentos. Harvest, I don't know what that is. Looks like it's going down. And MCO, I think that's where you put your money if you want to use your crypto.com card. All right, so you want to get crypto.com because there's so many cryptos to buy on here. Of course, I love Sia Coin. You can see I have 150,000 C a coin, Venus, Smooth Love Potion, Harmony. And then I also have over in my earn deposits. I have all these earns. So I have Harmony, and you get 4%. I have Shiba, you get 2%. Seller, 2%. Flow, 4%. I got Elron Gold, 2%. Polygon, 10% you get on Polygon. That's crazy. Stratus, 2%. And Flow Dapper Labs, you get 4%. So I'm making crypto every month. I'm loving it, and it's all going up.